Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures for your headphones Redmi Buds 3 Pro. So basically these headphones haven't a lot of gestures here, but I will show it to you. So if you press 2 times on your left or right earbud, you will play or pause the song 1, 2, and I just play a song 1, 2, and I pause the song. If you press 3 times, you will play next track 1, 2, 3, and as you can see it works the same with the left one 1, 2, 3. Cool. Now if you press and hold your left or right earbud, you will swap between ANC and transparency mode. So just press and hold, and here we go, and again, and we swap to transparency mode. And the last one, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing 2 times on your left or right earbud. And as you can see, it worked. Now, if you press 3 times, you will finish the call 1, 2, 3. And you can already reject a call by pressing 3 times on your left or right 1, 2, 3. And I just reject the call. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!